Boom, hey, what's happening, my friend? It's Cameron Malcolmson here, and in this video we're going to be covering content promotion for beginners, and it's a follow on from the last video, which was Nichil and how he banked $250,000 within 3 years without doing a single video, having any social media presence or anything like this here. And really, I thought that you might be thinking like, oh, Cameron, I don't want to do all this SEO and make videos and anything like this here, or build these here blog websites and all this here. But this is why I wanted to make this video, to show you and follow on from the last video, which was how Nichil banked all that money without having any social media or doing a single video. So this is what I'm going to show you here now. And at the very start, the first thing we're going to want to identify is, this is going to be specifically for affiliate marketing, and it's going to be, what is your niche? So this is where it's all going to stem from, your niche, the product, and then it's curating the content that's going to supplement the product, and it's going to be content that you don't have to make. So some of the things we have to identify at the start is leverage points. So a leverage point is a public video that you can share and embed on a little funnel site, and things like this here. So other things that could be leverage points is interviews of people who are using your product. You don't have to be on the video. It can be videos that the company has already made, and you can leverage that. It can be testimonials, and it can be product review videos, things like this here. So the specific strategy that Nichil used, he actually made a little page, website, something like this here, and I'll just jump on the screen here. Okay, so this is one of the website pages, kind of the same idea that Nick would have made. Maybe his ones were a little bit more simpler. I'm not sure. I didn't see the exact pages that he was using, but it's the same strategy. And I didn't build this page. This isn't my video or anything like that there. So you can see that I actually got this page, and it was already pre-built. I just hit the button and I uploaded it. Now I can go back here and I can mess about with this here page and change all the words and things like this here, which you can see here. I can write in, let's see, 10x your revenue. How about that? Your revenue. Let's see, I'm looking for affiliate entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs who want to 10x their revenue. Maybe I'll keep it as there, 10x their their revenue. Okay, HEIR revenue. Okay. So this isn't SEO content. This isn't in social media, anything like that there. And I went to YouTube. And this is a specific video that Nichil had leveraged, along with other videos that you can see here as well. So there's like 30 something videos, and these are all videos that he leveraged and put on like simple little pages that I showed you here. So this is kind of the type of page that he made, and then he went ahead and got himself a public video off of YouTube that was related to the product. So it wasn't him on the video, and then he would have copied the link here, and then he would have went to here. Let's see, and we would just go ahead and put this video link, embed it on this website. So you can see, you can go here and just go paste, save that, take a wee minute. So this is the way this page started. So it starts off, gets here, it's like, I'm looking for business owners who want to 10x their revenue. So you can literally change this whatever way you want. Then I changed that there, and I'm going to go here, and I'm going to make sure and put my affiliate link into here. So let's see, we'll go set action, and we'll go to website URL, and I'm going to type in the website. So I'm going to go https /challenge space and back. Make sure I put that in like that there. We'll open in the same window. Yeah, we'll do that there, and we'll save this here. Okay, so how long did it take me to do that there? Probably about 2 minutes, not even. So this is saved. I'm going to go preview. Okay, so when this loads up, you're going to see the little changes that I made slightly to the same site. Now you can literally go over this here and mix it up and change it to whatever you want. So it says, I'm looking for affiliate entrepreneurs who want to 10x their revenue, and then it goes Sid story to building 100k. So the idea is that you build your email list. So you're building your list like you've known before, that I keep talking about. Then you're sending people emails, so we want to bring them to a page like this here, and that you don't even need to make any SEO content. You don't need to have a big social media following at all, and you don't need to do any videos. So you send a wee email, and you can bring people from the email to a page like this here. Now you can take out that top bit, and then it just says, I'm looking for affiliate entrepreneurs who want to 10x their revenue, and then they come here and they can watch the video, and then on this video it's going to do all the heavy lifting for you, per se. So it's going to be really quick. You don't have to get really good on video or anything like that there. Something that I really wanted to do was get on videos myself and do this, learn this skill, but this is what Nick done, and Nick banked a whole bunch of money, and he wasn't on a single video, and he's still banking money, probably using the exact same strategy. So he was using them videos and then linking to his affiliate link here. So if you click that there, it goes to my affiliate link. Now say you're in a different niche, so say you're promoting fitness products, so you can find, say, interviews, product reviews, trainings, other different free public videos on YouTube. Build little pages like this here, embed them videos, and you don't have to be on social media at all. Then as well, you can see here, even if you go to different companies and things like this here, they're going to have videos for you. So this is an example. I don't use these here training videos that they give you that I could download and put on my blog and send you emails to go and watch, but this is what you have available as well. And you have here a ConvertKit overview demo, and it's like a 15-minute long video that they already made for you, so you don't have to make the video, and you just go download now, and then you can embed it into a little page, something like this here. So this was the entire strategy, my friend, that I wanted to walk you through in this video, and it's exactly how Nick done what he done. If you haven't watched that video, you should watch it on my YouTube channel or somewhere like that here, but it's just a little short interview of him explaining how much money he actually made, and then this was the strategy he used to bank all that money. And I hope you enjoyed this one. If you want to learn more, my friend, like always say, you can go to the link below, and have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.